विश्व कोंकणी केंद्र म्हाका जीवन सिद्धी सम्मान दिता म्हण आयकून म्हाका संतोश जालो आनी हांव तांचो उपकारी. I went to the United States in 1964 for my higher studies. My plan was to do my PhD in linguistics there at Cornell University. I was at Cornell for 3 years, 1964 to 1967, and after my prelims there, I came to India to work on my dissertation, PhD dissertation. I was in India for a year. That was 1967-68. I decided to work on the Konkani language when I was at Cornell. I did my PhD dissertation on the dialects of the Konkani language. Then I got a job at University of Minnesota. So I moved there in 1970. I worked on various aspects of the Konkani language. Important project that I took up was Konkani Mahabharata. This was prepared by the Portuguese, taking the information from Konkani speakers in Goa, where in India, in the 16th century, they were there a little earlier than that, but in the 16th century, they started looking at the documents that are available, and they found a number of documents. They took the help of native people to understand them. I published a number of articles on the Konkani language. Since the time of my dissertation, Konkani Mahabharata, that was published in different journals, linguistic journals. I wish to thank the Vishwa Konkani Kendra for giving me this award, the Lifetime Achievement Award for my work on Konkani.